welcome to it. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my favorite iPad accessories, and I'm not gonna lie, almost all of them are from Amazon, so I will have everything linked below. We have a couple exceptions, but obviously we will get to those eventually. If you do choose to shop from the description, I will get a tiny percentage of that sale, so it would really help me out. A little bit of a win-win situation there. But anyways, I do have the iPad Pro from the 2020 version in the 11-inch and space gray. Here it is. This is one of the things we'll be talking about today. But really quickly before we start, I want to talk about today's video sponsor, which is Canva. If you guys don't know, I literally love Canva, so I'm so happy to be partnering with them today for this video. I talk about them in like every video and show you guys tutorials all the time, so it is so fun to be working with them, like I said. So I would say I probably am like intermediate design level. Been doing digital design a lot of part of my life, probably since like middle school or high school, but I always hated that I had to pull other graphics from random websites to be able to put things together. So something that I really love about Canva is that they have so many free elements and graphics for you to just use for free. And now, especially since I have Canva Pro, my designs are so much better and like more cute and elaborate and aesthetic because they have so many more graphics for me to use through their Pro program. Anyways, Canva Pro is an easy to use design platform that has everything all there for you to use to help you design like a pro, whether you're a professional designer or if you're just getting started. Canva Pro can help you and your team boost your creativity and productivity. It's a really quick, easy, and affordable way to design anything that you need. So like I said, whatever you're creating or sharing, Canva Pro has over 75 million premium photos, videos, audio, and graphics for you to use. Plus, Canva Pro comes with a bunch of time-saving tools that can help you speed up and simplify the design process. You get all of this and more in just one Canva Pro subscription. My favorite Canva Pro feature is definitely the branding feature, where I can save my certain colors and fonts and everything as my little brand. So they're just always there in like a little brand area anytime I'm designing anything, which is just really nice because it makes all of my graphics, you know, flow together because it's the same colors of my brand, especially helpful when I'm making YouTube thumbnails. But yeah, going off of that, there's no idea that is too big or too small for Canva Pro. It is so helpful for students and upcoming YouTubers. They have so many templates for like thumbnails and YouTube channel banners and all that good stuff for social media, even Instagram. Literally so amazing. I know you would love Canva Pro. And now you can design like a pro with Canva Pro. Right now you can get a free 45-day extended trial if you use my promo code. Just go to canva.me/JuliaCrist to get your 45-day extended trial for free. That's canva.me/JuliaCrist. canva.me/JuliaCrist. Alright, let's go ahead and get on into this video. Alright, so we have so many amazing accessories here today. I literally love all of them. First off, we're going to start out with my iPad case, and this is it. It's beautiful. I love it so much. So this is from Casetify. They sent it over to me just for me to review for you guys because a lot of you guys were asking me to talk about this, so I figured I'd give a little bit more of an in-depth review in this video. So this is the Ultra Impact iPad case for my 11-inch iPad Pro. So it has the little corners to help whenever it falls down, it bounces off, you know, shock absorbent. It even has a little spot for your Apple Pencil to still magnetize to the side of your iPad, which is really nice. Obviously, you can get them in multiple different colors and different designs. I went with this really cute floral one, and this print actually also comes for a phone case as well. My sister has it. I had taken it off for a little while, so let's put it back on. I just feel so safe and protected with this iPad case on my iPad because, you know, I love and trust Casetify. They are a little pricey, but again, I do have a discount code if you, I'll have it linked below. If you go to that link, it'll give you the discount. But yeah, seriously, I just love feeling protected with it. And then that magnetizes right there. And there you go. If you have any specific questions about it, comment those below and I will help you out. Other than that, I don't really know what to say. You know, it's of course just an iPad case and I love it. So next up, I did snag a little cover for my Apple Pencil and I haven't put it on yet, so we'll go ahead and do that. I heard that these are helpful for writing. It like helps your hand stay steadier whenever you're writing on your iPad. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I do have a little like end cap. I'm not sure if that's for like more of the series like one Apple Pencil. I also know it came in a couple other colors, and I know there's plenty of these out on Amazon. You can get cute little ones that look like a pencil or have like little bunny ears on them. There's just so many out there. But yeah, it for sure does keep my writing a lot smoother. It also is just protective because I do drop my pencil a lot. Next up, going off of my Apple Pencil, oh yeah, I do have the Generation 2, or Series, whatever it is, the second one. I have some Apple Pencil tips that I bought off of Apple's website as well, because you do have to replace the tips after a while. You just replace them by screwing that part off and then putting the new one on, but I'm only on, like, this is my second time changing this tip on my Apple Pencil. This comes in a pack of 4, but I've only changed it twice, and I've had my iPad for a year now. And I do have the paperlike screen protector, which we will talk about again as well. I know a lot of people say that with the paperlike screen protector, it wears down your Apple Pencil tip quicker, but honestly, I'm literally on my second tip in a whole year, so obviously that didn't happen, at least for me. So I will link these below. They're just on the Apple website. I'm sure you could get dupe ones off of Amazon, but I'm not sure how well those would work with your Apple Pencil, so definitely just recommend getting the Apple ones. Next up is my paperlike screen protector, and I put this one on so bad. I have so many bubbles in it because I was not focusing when I was putting mine on. But basically it's just a screen protector that makes your iPad feel like paper when you're writing on it. I highly recommend it. Just writing on my iPad without it just makes me feel uncomfortable nowadays because it's so like just writing on glass, it's just weird. So definitely recommend one of these. I do have an affiliate code, so I will have that linked below as well with all the details for you. They are a little expensive, but it comes with 2 in your package and they're literally so worth it. Again, this is my second one in the whole year, so they last a long time. Next up, I have this stand, and it is really cool. I have gotten lots of questions on it, and again, I honestly am just obsessed with it. Basically, it's like a mounting thing where you clip your iPad in, and then you can just use it as a little mount, I guess. So I found multiple uses for this thing. First, let me show you what it like looks like as a whole. Sorry, my closet is so dirty. But it just has this big thing, which is kind of bulky, but honestly, you get used to it. It's not that big of a deal, and it goes back and just literally moves all over the place. So I love having it like up here sometimes, or down here, maybe over here to the side, and then this obviously moves around too. But yeah, I'll just name some of the uses that I've had for this, because when I first was going to buy it, I was like, when am I ever gonna use this thing? But I've literally used it so much because my iPad used to just sit out on my desk and I wouldn't even really do anything with it, and now I can just hover here. But I like to sometimes watch Netflix, so if I'm doing my laundry in my closet and like putting stuff away, I'll flip this all the way around over here and watch it as I'm like moving between my closet. So that's really fun. I also like it for whenever I'm filming brand sponsorships, because sometimes brands have some strict points that they want you to go over, and I always forget, so I like to have it, and I honestly just hide it up here, and in between filming the sentences and paragraphs or whatever that I'm saying, I will just check back up and make sure that I have covered everything that they wanted me to cover. For schoolwork, this is where I put a little preview of this on my Instagram story, and a lot of people asked me about it. I will have my laptop up here where I'm doing my homework, and then onto the side I will put on my Apple Music and connect my AirPods to my iPad and just sit here and do work or whatever while I'm listening to music to that. The main reason I got it, that I haven't actually even tested out yet, is to use it for my dual monitor setup, because with the MacBooks and my iPads, which I can't find my MacBook right now, you can actually do like this as a second screen. I want to set up my MacBook right here on my laptop stand that I have, and then put this right next to it, right there, you know, and then you're able to use this as a second screen of your MacBook. So like, I don't know if I'll ever need a second screen for anything, but if I do, I have a way. So I just think it's really fun overall. There's so many uses that I'm still obviously learning and figuring out, and I will share with you if I ever find any more fun uses for it. Next up, I have another type of iPad stand. This one, it kind of will do the same thing. It's just not as big and bulky, but what you do is you just place your iPad right there, and then you can tilt it however much you need to tilt it. Can't really see it much. And you can do it this way or this way, and it could just again be another monitor for you. You could just hold it like that whenever you're taking notes or something. I think it's really fun. Kind of a cheaper and smaller alternative to this thing, but obviously this one just sits on your desk. And lastly, we have my keyboard. I've seen these things all over the place, and I just had to try it. Basically, it's like a Bluetooth keyboard that connects to your iPad, and this is where this little stand comes in. I can put my stand here and then have my keyboard like this and type, and it'll type my notes on my iPad, which is really nice. I just think it's cute and aesthetic. It is a little loud, but that makes it all fun. And yes, I do have the Magic Keyboard that Apple made, but I just thought this was a more little fun alternative for if you're not willing to spend like almost $300 on a keyboard case. So yeah, obviously I don't know if I would drag this whole thing to class with me whenever I go to a lecture, but it's fun to do like for whenever I'm typing papers at home. It also comes in like a cute little mint green color that comes on the box. Look how cute. So again, everything will be linked below. Don't forget to hit this video with a like, it would help me out a lot. And if you have an iPad, comment what like year and type of iPad that you have, and if you don't, comment what one that you want. Whoops, my laundry's done. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.